Reconnect with nature in Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where eco-active brands such as LUMAR are building a greener world with nearly zero-emission houses. As a pioneer of the passive building concept, LUMAR has been minimizing environmental pollution at home and abroad for more than 25 years. Today, it is the leading provider of prefabricated structures whose team believes in considering every aspect, from air, sound, light, and material use, in the pursuit of comprehensive solutions for sustainable living.
We are one of the few prefabricated building manufacturers in Europe to hold a passive technology certificate by the Passive House Institute in Germany. We were also the first to introduce the term nearly zero-emission house in Slovenia. Our next mission is to combine sustainable buildings with other aspects of living, such as mobility. With the integration of a solar power plant and energy storage modules, the house's own electric charging station for vehicles can become completely self-sufficient.
Quality, sustainability, and innovation are ingrained into LUMAR's architecture. Embodying a zero-emission living concept, it has received praise from industry experts along with numerous local and international awards. With green projects, such as the first active house, a living organism with its own microclimate, LUMAR redefines what it means to live in sync with nature. And by being green, creative, and smart, it is an example of the eco-friendly Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Build a better future in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.